What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a highly requested video by my followers on Instagram because I think like 3 or 2 weeks ago, I decided to say goodbye to the nail salon for many different reasons and start doing my nails at home. I want to start by saying I completely I didn't steal this idea because it's not like an idea, but I was inspired by my friend Paige Riley to do this. So this video is kind of like a spin-off of her YouTube video, but I have a lot of people asking, so I wanted to make it anyways. My nails, obviously, not done right now because I ripped the nails off of them, but let's talk about why I decided to give up the nail salon. Number one, it's expensive as hell, and it never turns out how I want it to. Everyone's like, oh, get dip, get dip. I hated dip. I'm sorry, but I hated it. So I was getting acrylics, and it was expensive, and I always wanted coffin shape, but then after like 3 days, they'd round out to look like almond. Wasn't what I wanted. And I was just so sick of spending $50 every 2 to 3 weeks for nails. And number two, the biggest reason is because they always broke. And when your acrylics break, it's not just like the fake part of the nail breaking, it's your real nail and it hurts like hell. And then you have to pay to get it fixed. Sometimes I just like be pulling up my leggings and ow. So that is why I ditched the nail salon and decided to watch Paige's video and order some stuff to do my nails at home. So I'll show you a little picture right here of what my nails look like. Aren't they pretty? Honestly, you guys, when you do your nails at home, it looks like salon quality. I did the math, and after you buy like all the supplies that you need to do your nails, per set, which means per full 2 hands of nails, is $1.40 compared to $50 at the freaking nail salon, sometimes more. So highly recommend trying this. Watch the video. I'll show you everything I buy. I'll link everything that you need to do your nails at home, and then I'll show you the process of how I do them because they really do look like salon quality. Yes, they're glue-ons, but do not doubt glue-ons just yet because one, better for your nail than acrylics. Also, I buy super good glue, which I'll link below, and this glue rocks. Like, I've had nails on for 2 weeks and they haven't fallen off. My thumbnails tend to pop off a lot, but literally all you do, add some more glue them back on, boom shakalaka, you're good. So let's get right into this video and I will show you everything you need to do your nails at home. Yeah. All right, so to begin, say hello to my big box of nail supplies. I got this box from TJ Maxx, so it holds everything. I feel like I broke that. Everything you need to do your nails at home. So I have a lot of like extra stuff because I'm gonna start trying to out-design, but for just like basic doing your nails at home, all you need is like, I think it's like $75 worth of things or $70 worth of things. So let's start with what you need. 100% you need a UV light starter kit. I will link the one below. What this came with was like this UV light, 6 nail polish colors, a top coat, a base coat, and then like nail files and basic stuff like that. So this is a necessity and it's such a good deal. I got everything on Amazon. Amazon primed it, was here the next day. Such a good deal, works so well, so that's what you need. In addition to all of that, you will also need some nail stands. So these are linked below. This is what it looks like. Come on. You don't paint the nails on your fingers, which makes them look so much cleaner and which makes them look professional. You paint them on the little stand and it looks so much better. And then to get the nails to actually stay on the stand, as you can see, you're probably like, what is this gum she has on there? I have this little putty, but it's just like basic putty. And you don't have to put like a new one on each time. I just use it to hold the nail in place while I'm painting, while it's going in the light and stuff, and it makes it so much easier. So you need putty. And then of course, you need some nails. So I will link the ones that I use below. I have shorter coffin length ones and then longer coffin length, just depends on how I'm feeling, what I'm wanting. And then Amazon literally has so many different shapes and lengths of nails, so just browse, but I will link these ones below. And then there's one other thing that you absolutely need, I think, which is a nail like cutter. So this is specifically for long nails. It kind of looks like it's for dogs, but if you try to cut, like say you buy the long nails and you want them a little bit shorter and you try to cut them with regular nail clippers, it'll break them and like, I don't know how to explain it. It'll just like make them distorted because it'll stretch out the nail. They won't be as narrow. They won't be as strong. So highly suggest getting one of these. Wait, I lied. You also need glue, duh, Chloe. And this is the most important part. I recommend buying this glue, no other glue, because it's amazing. So this is what it looks like, and it goes on like nail polish. So it has a little brush on it, and you just brush on your nail and then on the fake nail, and it works so well. This stuff literally lasts forever. I bought 2 bottles so that I could have one in my nail kit and one in my purse in case I'm out and about and a nail pops off, I can always glue it right back on. So that is all you need. So now that I've told you the necessities, let's get started on painting these bad boys. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my shorter nails today. So the first thing you wanna do is open your nails and then size each finger to a nail. So that's pretty self-explanatory, I feel like. Oh wait, are these the long ones? I'm an idiot. I haven't actually used these yet, so I'm kind of excited. I've been using pretty long ones. Oh, that's perfect. And then once you figure out what size your nail is, you just put it on the stand. Don't press the nail super hard into the putty because it could stick to it. You just wanna like set it on top of there so that it doesn't move. Yeah, so then you just pick out the nails that you need for each finger and then set them on the stand. And that is step 1. Okay, so once you get all of your nails on your little stand, here they are. Kind of hard to see because they're clear. What you're gonna wanna do is, now you wanna get the base gel and start putting the base gel on the nails. So it's just like normal nail painting, but it makes it so much easier that you paint them while they're on the stand. So I got my base gel and I'm just gonna put a nice thin layer on each nail. This is gel polish, so you wanna make sure that you're doing even layers. Otherwise, some parts of the nail could be more raised than others, so. Okay, so once you have your first layer of, actually you only do 1 layer of the base gel. So once you have your layer of base gel done, you put it into the thing. And with this specific one, you press on 120 seconds and it'll set the gel. So that's 2 minutes. So then you obviously do the next one and then I'll tell you what to do once these are both dry. All right, so once both of your little sets have gone through the lamp for 2 full minutes, 120 seconds, now you're gonna start with your first layer of polish. So I'm gonna be using white polish. I bought this separately from the UV kit because the UV kit I bought and linked has the colors in it that I use for my rainbow nails. So I keep buying new colors because I like to experiment, but okay, anyways, now you wanna do your first layer of the actual nail polish. So I'm doing white. So just like a normal nail, you're just gonna put on a nice thin layer. The base gel is gonna be a little sticky, which is fine, but let's get to painting. I'm kind of nervous. I haven't done white before, so this could end very badly. Hope it doesn't, because I don't want to have to redo this video. Make sure to get the sides, because I always forget to get the sides. And it's okay if the first layer is a little bit see-through, because you actually do 2 layers of the colored nail polish. So, just paint away. Okay, so then once you have first layer of the first 5 nails painted, you just put it back in for 2 full minutes and then paint the next set and then put these in for 2 minutes. Okay, so once the first layer of your colored polish is on and you've put both of them in here for 2 minutes, now you want to paint on the second layer. You should only need 2 layers for most colors. I've never done white before, so I'm not sure if I'll need more or not. Every other color I've used so far only needs 2 coats. It looks like white only needs 2 coats. So you're gonna put a second layer of the polish on, and then like before, put it in here for 2 minutes, and then I'll check back in with you when the color's done. All right, so once you have all of your nails with 2 coats of polish on and they're been cured twice after each polish, now you take your top gel and you just put 1 layer on each nail, and then again, you stick it in for 2 minutes. So here we go. And this stuff is pretty thick, so you wanna make sure you're doing like a thin, even layer, because this is the stuff that can dry pretty thick. And this is the stuff that makes sure the nail stays shiny and it doesn't chip, and it just makes it look really, really good. So once you have a layer of the top gel on, you're just gonna pop them back in for 2 minutes and then put it on the next set. So once both of these have the top coat and it's dried, I just let them sit so that, like, if they're sticky a little bit, it just completely dries. And then I take the nail file that comes with this and the brush that also comes in this set. I just file the top of my nail because glue sticks better to a coarse surface anyways, and then this way I can get off any of the glue that's left over from my previous set. So I'm just gonna file my nails before I stick the nails on. Once you're done filing your nails, they're gonna look a little scary. And then I just take the brush and I just brush off any of like the dust off my hands. And there we go. Okay, the next step is actually gluing the nails on, so I'm just gonna take one side, and then when you peel the nail off, you wanna like kind of twist and turn so that the putty doesn't stick to it. And what I'm gonna do is just take this nail, I'm gonna flip it upside down like that, and then you take the glue and you brush it onto your nail, and then brush a little bit onto the bottom of the fake nail. And it dries pretty quick, so you wanna just stick it down, and I like to push it down and against my cuticles so that you can't tell that it's a glue on. It looks real then. And then you just repeat that for every nail. Okay, I have one hand down, so now I'm just gonna do the other one and then I'll show you the finished product. And here is the final product. I like to put coconut oil on my cuticles as like a cuticle oil, but here they are, you guys. That's my left hand and my right hand. So there we are. And of course you can do any color you want. Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. If you have any questions about like doing your nails or any of the products I linked, let me know, comment below, and I'll make sure to get back to you. Yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Honestly, doing my nails at home has not only saved me a ton of money, but it's given me like a creative outlet. So this has been super fun, just doing it at home and trying out a bunch of new colors and new nail shapes and everything. So yeah, hope you guys love it. If you do use this video to buy your own things and do your own nails, make sure to send me some pictures because it'd be so fun to see. Maybe someday I'll be able to do videos on designs, but not getting ahead of myself yet. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and to give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Love you so much, and I will see you next time.